This is Wyndham Acmar Klang, nearby Shah Alam. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. This is one of the suites. You've got your walk-in closet, you've got your safe, this disposable slippers. It does come with water. And let's go into the bathroom as well. Very nice bathroom. Decent toilet with the bidet. And we've got your products over here. The normal shampoo, shower gel, and so on. So unfortunately, the executive lounge, or I believe it's going to be called the Sky Lounge, is not yet open. So if you do come here and you are a Diamond member, you have to actually call ahead and see if it's open because it's still under construction. But as you can see, the main advantage right now in staying here would be just the size of the suites. If you do manage to get an upgrade as a Diamond member, then you've got a very, very nice space to work in and to stay in. And there is the view.